In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a message file without Microsoft Outlook on Windows. A message file is an email message format usually created by Microsoft Outlook, and it typically contains important information such as the subject line, sender details, and the message content itself. If you do not have Microsoft Outlook installed, it may seem like you cannot access this file. But there is still a simple way to view its contents using a basic tool already available on your computer. To begin, the first and only method we will use is opening the file with Notepad. Start by locating the message file on your computer. Once you find it, right-click on the file to open the context menu. From the options that appear, choose Open With, then select Notepad from the list of available applications. After selecting Notepad, the file will open in a plain text format. At first glance, the content may look a bit messy or unstructured because message files are, originally designed for Microsoft Outlook. However, if you scroll through the text carefully, you will still be able to see readable information, such as parts of the email content, sender details, and other embedded data. It may not look exactly like a normal email layout, but it does allow you to access the essential information stored inside the file. If Notepad does not appear in the list of applications, you can click on Choose Another App, then browse through your installed programs and manually select Notepad from there. Once selected, the file will open in the same way, displaying the raw content of the email. This method is especially useful when you only need to quickly check the contents of a message file without installing additional software or Microsoft Outlook. While it does not provide a formatted email view, it is a reliable workaround for accessing the information stored inside the file. And that's it. You have now learned how to open a message file using Notepad on Windows without Microsoft Outlook. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.